We talk in general a lot about drawings and sketches and things, and they would have a document number, and every number on that document number would mean something or a specific area. But you've also got the option to have quite a expansive metadata field too, where you can go into depth of what areas you want to list so that your document register can be searchable specifically for these areas, and then it would come back to your document control team filling out the metadata when they're uploading documentation.
Yeah, and it definitely makes handover activities a lot more beneficial and operationally, right? Because if you're handing over a whole bunch of information to operators or operational clients and they can't understand what you've given them, or the coding doesn't make sense, or, manuals, they can't find them, none of that's going to be very helpful.
With metadata systems, like even pre-project setup, like literally talking the early days of project planning, if you get involved with your document control team or your database management team, and you can have your RFIs, NCRs, cost notices and managements and things, you can have all the metadata referencing the same areas, and you can make some of these fields mandatory so that if you're going to create an RFI on pipe work at area 15, your RFI can relate to that, your NCR can relate to that.
Absolutely.
You can run reports specifically that relate to that, and you could have that as a mandatory field that needs to be filled out. The pre-planning, I think, is key. There are a lot of projects that get down the path and we're getting through design, and then we think, that would have been really handy if we had have been involved in those earlier setup meetings.
Yeah,